Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. And as you can see, I have a little package here. Yes. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Okay. This package here is courtesy of Born Pretty. So first off, thank you to Born Pretty for sending me out these 5 products. Yes. Okay. Let's get right into it. The one I want to open up first is this one. Let's see here. While I'm opening up this, if you like nail content, make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this with someone. And leave me a comment. So looking at this, it does say base gel. Now base gel, you may think, oh, this is base gel, you know? This is not just any old base gel. This is Nude F806 Fiber Rubber Base Gel. So I have tried rubber base, I think once, but fiber gel, I have been interested in that. So let me go ahead and get this open. I will be trying all items here, but I may not try them all in one video. Reason why, I just want to showcase every single one of them. Let me know, has any of you guys tried rubber based gel or fiber based gel? Now when I think of fiber, I think of, oh, okay, let's see, my nail is breaking. If I go ahead and use some fiber gel, I can go ahead and kind of repair that broken nail and keep it. So the fiber attaches everything, almost like, it's almost like putting fabric. When you think of fibers, it's almost attaching a fabric patch to whatever you're doing, which will make it stronger. I'll tell you a little bit more about this. Oh, wow. First off, I like the color of it. I do. Oh, whoa, I saw fiber, y'all. Whoa, I can't even explain it. It's like, okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll try to get as close as possible, but that little part that's sticking out from the bristle of this brush is a fiber. Oh my goodness, let's see if I can do it again. Remember I said it was like, you think of fabric. Okay, that's a better example right there. So you see that little piece that comes out just like it's a hair? That's the fiber. So, and then everything else is rubber base. Rubber base is a strengthener. It's also very flexible. Wow. And to think this might be thick, to me it's not too thick. So let me see. Let's just take out just a random nail. Let's try this nail right here. Whoa, look at the fiber. I'm tripping on the fiber, y'all. Wow. So once you paint it, you're not seeing the fibers in the actual gel polish. That's pretty. That is pretty. And of course, if you want to build up the opacity of it, go ahead and use more of this, more coats of this. But I like this. And it's thin enough. I did notice while I had the nail sitting on its side, all of the, or some of the gel polish is going off to the side. Look at that. It's coming off the end of this tip and pulling that way. And look at the shine on this. This don't even have a top coat. Okay, directions. It says cure under UV LED nail lamp for 60 seconds for a complete dry. So nothing different with the curing time. 60 seconds is the general curing time for most gel polishes. So look at that. All of it is going towards the middle. As I have this upside down and I place it right side up, all of that gel is going towards the middle, which is also increasing the opacity of it because there's more of that gel there. Colors. It looks like it comes in clear, a milky white, a soft pink, a light pink, a purplish pink, and nude. Okay, so I've cured this for 60 seconds. It does leave an inhibition layer, so go ahead and wipe that off with alcohol, and you should be ready to go after that. Yes. No more sticky layer. And let's see if I can see what happens when I bend this nail. Now the nail itself, as you can see, the nail's falling apart. The nail is tore up. But the fiber rubber base is not. Talk about strength. Flexible strength. Because nothing is happening. There's not a mark on it. But of course, the nail underneath is all marked up. How's that for experiment?